Hey guys, wanted to come on today to talk to you about this awesome new portable power station that I got. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and show you what we're working with. So right off the bat, this thing is very well packaged. Comes with these two big things of styrofoam, keeping it nice and safe from transit. Also comes with a box for cords, so here you have a 12 volt charger, like a cigarette lighter charger, a regular USB-C, and then a 120 volt to USB-C charger here. I'm gonna go ahead and open the actual power bank station. So this thing has a nice weight to it, as most things will that are going to be batteries. So the battery adds the extra heft to it. It's got these really nice little handhold. Another thing that's in the box is this user manual. So this is going to be very important to figure out what all of the buttons do, the different modes that it has, and the setup process. So the first step of the setup process is to charge this up. This is a portable power bank, so it needs a full charge. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in the 120 volt to USB-C adapter and give it around 4 to 5 hours to fully charge. Now this thing is fully charged off of charging from the wall outlet. I just want to go through some of these buttons that you can hit to operate different things. So there's this button down here. It's called the DC button. You just hold that for 3 seconds, and then that opens the DC, and you can see that the charger actually turned on there. But now this opens all of the DC ports. So on the DC side, you have 2 USBs and 2 USB-Cs. One USB-C is an input and the other one's an output. And then you have the 12 volt output. So those are just some of the options that you have on the DC side. So you can use this 12 volt for the 12 volt plug, or the cigarette outlet as some people call it. And this is very helpful if you have one of those car camping refrigerators that run off of very little energy but need that cigarette lighter to plug into. Another thing I like to use it for, I always travel with a portable speaker, and that's just a simple USB-C to USB, so I can plug that in and then go ahead and charge that up. I actually have my phone cord, which is a USB-C. Most phones are moving to that now, so I'm going to put that in the USB-C output and then plug in my phone. So we still have the speaker charging, but we can also go ahead and charge your phone. So you see that charge icon pops up there. So you could do multiple different devices all at once, which is extremely nice to have. So the last button that we have is on the back. It's directly opposite of the screen. You just hold that guy down for the same amount of time as the front, so 3 seconds. You can see it's got this light on there. It's pretty bright actually, and if you hit it again, it'll dim that a little bit, give you a nice SOS light, and then it'll turn off again. So just a nice feature to have on the back of this device in case you're ever in the need of a light or in a dire circumstance where you'll need that SOS. So I've got my solar panels hooked up and in the sun. I have the USB to USB-C running to the power bank. And you can see here it is charging. This little icon is charging there, so it's just a super helpful feature, the fact that you can charge this thing while using a solar panel. And I have one that folds up, so I can easily stack that up and make this whole set portable. So I would highly recommend getting this portable power bank. As you can see here, my wife and I are doing 3 different things at once, and it gives us all the battery we need to accomplish our tasks.